Kid Wiz channel. Let's learn together. Dolphins and the blue big ocean. Dolphins are super speedy swimmers in their big watery playground. They're not loners. Instead, they love hanging out with their friends in groups called pods. Imagine having hundreds of dolphin pals. These underwater buddies talk to each other using clicks, whistles, and even their body language. It's like they have their very own secret language. Dolphins are like the rock stars of the sea because they're not only graceful and smart, but also really friendly to us humans. Dolphins are like the acrobats of the ocean. They love doing flips and spins just for fun. It's not just a cool show. These moves help them talk to each other and catch their yummy dinner, which is usually fish, squid, and other sea creatures. Ever heard of echolocation? It's like a superpower dolphins have. They make clicks and listen for echoes bouncing off things around them. This helps them find food and avoid any sneaky sea predators. Dolphins are true explorers, traveling thousands of miles each year to find tasty treats and warmer waters. And when they travel together, they do this amazing dance called synchronized swimming. It's like they're all doing the same awesome moves at the same time. And when they travel, family is super important to dolphins. Moms are like the superheroes of the sea, taking care of their little ones and teaching them all the important stuff they need to know. And you know what's sweet? The baby dolphins, called calves, stick close to their moms for protection and guidance. It's a real family fun under the sea. Thank you for watching. Come back again.